and more examples on subtraction in different moduli. Let's learn how to subtract this in the mode specified. Solution. The first example, we have 19 minus 15. And the first thing we have to do is we subtract normally. 19 minus 15, that gives us 4. Now this 4 is already a number we can have in the mode 5, so we don't need to convert it again, because when we divide 4 by 5, we have 0 remainder 4. So the remainder 4 is still standing. So yeah, that means this is just our final answer, equivalent to 4 in mode 5. The second example, we have 11 minus 13. We subtract normally. 11 minus 13, we have minus 2, and that's a negative integer. So we convert it to a number we can have in mode 7. And to do that, we look for the next multiple of the mode 7 after 2, which is 7. So we have minus 7. What can I add to minus 7 to give me back my minus 2? Plus 5. And this minus 7 can be expressed as minus 1 times 7 plus 5. And this plus 5 here is what we have as our remainder. So minus 2 is equivalent to 5 in mode 7. And that's how to express this, calculate this in the mode specified. Thank you.